Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're finishing up the 2000 GMC V71. We got the wiring harness in up on top. Got the transmission in. You can see from the last video, transfer case. Now we like a few little minor things. Got the, what do we like? Luke? Oh, we got you joint in. Still got one more to put in. We got the torque converter bolt still to put in, transmission lines. Trans cooler. Steering column in. Luke showed up early this morning, went to work. He got the column finished bolted up. You ain't got the harness hooked up yet though, do you? No. Alright, so we got to finish that. Oh yeah, and the shifter cable, got to get it installed. Run through, pops in right there. We don't like a whole lot. See if there's anything I'm missing. Pretty much it. Trans lines, torque converter bolts, drive shafts, shifter cable. Anything else, Luke? That's about it, ain't it? So we almost done with this old turd. Let's get to it. Well guys, we ain't got a whole lot of video of us working because this truck has been kicking our butt, literally. We got everything buttoned up here.
Some of it.
We got the inside all back together out here. The shifter works, everything works when you turn the key on. Still got the clutch pedal in. He wants to leave that in there for now. Got the cable run underneath here. We have got the drive shafts in, front and, oh, that's rear anyway. Front and rear. There's a starter hanging because we still got to put torque converter bolts in. But he is going, customer is going to get tranny lines.
Went across the background.
So hopefully we can get going tonight. Tranny lines he picked up where he picked the transmission and everything up at was bent all through hell and would not connect. But we're not gonna lie, this truck has kicked our butts. But we're gonna get it done, guys. One way or another. Hopefully. Y'all see the little cat over here. But I'll get back to y'all. Gonna get back to work on this old turd. Alright guys, this kind of stuff you get into when you're swapping from a standard manual transmission to automatic. This is the old wiring harness. Well, there is no plug over here for the temperature gauge right there. It's over here. So we're having to wire into it, which somebody has done before on this truck, and run it all the way over here to there, which Dan is working on right there, guys. You can see what somebody done made a jumper on.
Sure.
What if use that wire, cut that end off, and tie it in the, you know what I'm saying?
They're the same colors.
Yeah. And we get them in there. Like I said, guys, this truck has been a pain in the butt. But we're finishing it up. We're going to get this wires spliced in and hooked up and get back to the torque converter bolts, get them in, get the starter mounted, wait on tranny lines. Hopefully they'll be here soon.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. See y'all in a minute. Alright guys, we got that plug wired in. Get up here where y'all can see it. Finally. And I'm sorry for this video for not being, you know, a lot of footage as far as us working on it. Like I said, this thing has been kicking our butt and getting aggravated with it, frustrated. And plus, I really didn't have anybody run the camera while I was working. Could have set you up on tripod, but maybe I'll do that next time. But I'm sorry about this video being short too. But y'all should be sure to hit that like button. It helps these videos get out and get seen. Hit that subscribe button. And here comes old Lukey Duke back with hopefully tranny lines. We'll see. But let me get to him, y'all. Let me get right back to y'all, see what's going on. Alright guys, I know it's dark and all, but Luke showed up with some tranny lines. Show you all the trans cooler we've got on. Hope y'all can see it real good. Because he's still got a standard radiator. No place to hook up tranny lines, so we're just gonna put a cooler on it right now. Maybe eventually he'll put a different radiator on it. We'll tie into it and a cooler. But Dan, he's underneath working or was on the
I don't either.
what the hell was that?
I don't want to know.
Podcat.
Well, Johnny, go check it out while I want it.
I ain't scared. But yeah, we're getting these tranny lines on, guys. I know it light's blinding y'all, but fix get these tranny lines on and get back to y'all once I figure out how to stop recording. Alright guys, I was going to end the video a while ago, as you can tell, but Luke showed up transmission lines, which I showed y'all that. We got the cooler on.
Alright, where's him?
We got Dan hooking it up there front. Got this line right here on.
Where's the
So now I'm fixing to put the other line on.
Yeah.
So let me get it on and what do you need?
Some adapters. Hose clamps.
You need hose clamps, not adapters. There's in that plastic bag up there. All that stuff come in.
Right up there on top. Hey, over here. Up top up there.
Let me get this line on, guys, and get back to y'all. Well, guys, this time this is the end of the video. We're down to one transmission line. Transmission line he bought was the wrong one. Won't hook up. Everything's different completely. I mean, it's got all kinds of crooked. It's got more crooks than a house full of politicians. That's no lie. And everything's wrong. So we're going to go, and me and Dan, old trusty Dan, we're going to go tomorrow and get one and get this old tire going. Hopefully before Luke gets out of school, if Dan gets up in the morning and shows up in the morning.
Oh, I'll get to her. I gotta take my daughter to school.
I'll come over here as soon as you get her drop. What the hell was that? Y'all sound like a pack of wolves out here on us. But I think it was just a crackhead screaming. He probably smelled some ether or something. Never know. But y'all look at this shock right here. Well, ain't that nice? It's supposed to go here, Luke. So once we get your truck going, you better get all that fixed. Yeah, we got a lot of crap to pick up, y'all. Get put up, whatever. But like I said, it's gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Get these videos out. What you gonna say, Dan?
Just do it.
Later.
Just do it.